So guys, we're on to fitting some lights now. Got 30 lights to do at the moment. It's going to work through them. Yeah, you're going to follow along. Enjoy. So these lights don't take enough. So I'm just going to put a Wago little box on it. So in the future, if we change the lights and we need to, I don't know if this is going to fit in there as well. Ain't going to fit. So yeah, we need to add an earth to any new lights we put in. We'll be all set. Double check. Needs a bit of a wipe. There's one. Well, morning guys. So I didn't get very far on Friday with these lights, so it's Sunday today. And yeah, Fred's has gone to some running thing and I'm just can't stay away. So I've decided to come and just do the lights this morning and maybe have a little bit of a tidy up. We'll see how far I go. I just want to get these lights done. Because then they're out of the way. I haven't got to worry about them. If you're wondering why I'm using these little way it goes clips, basically what people don't realise is when you use like chocolate blocks with a screw in it, electric cables vibrate ever so slightly, you'd never notice it, but what can happen is the screws can actually vibrate loose. So like when you get like a faulty light in the house or something like that, and you go there and it's loose the cables are loose in the fitting. Yes, because of the vibrations of the electrical cable loosening the screws. So these are brilliant. So they clip down rather than screw down. So they clip down and they're never going to let go. And it's easy enough to take them off again, you unclip it and the cable pulls out. Bloody brilliant things. A lot quicker as well, a lot less fiddly. So I quite like them. You probably notice a lot of the light fittings nowadays actually come with the same sort of fittings. Oh, but this one comes with it. It's slightly different. Is you push it in and you push that down, you can pull it out. Oh, where's that thing that just fell out? Gone. There it is. All right. It's alive. Lovely. Can never be an electrician, too bloody fiddly for my liking. All these lovely clips on this lot fit in and then they give you something to screw down. Perfect. Tuck that all up there. And there it is. Pop. Lovely. All the bloody stickers off. I mean, looks so much better. So much better.